So go grab yourself this pineapple wood cutout. I got it from Walmart for $2.97. And what I did is I started by taking some painter's tape. I taped off the top part so I could paint the bottom of the pineapple using Goldenrod from Wise Owl Paint. And once that was painted and dry, I took more painter's tape and I taped off the bottom so I could paint the top of the pineapple using some dry thyme. And I found this Mod Podge. It's called Dimensional Magic. And I took some fine gold glitter and I mixed them together in like a plastic medicine cup. No exact measurement. I just kind of filled it, put a good amount of glitter, and then stirred it with a popsicle stick. And then I took it and I poured it inside these cutouts. Now this was really easy to work with. There's no mixing two parts like you have to with the resin. And you can see when it's first applied, it does have a cloudy appearance. But after it dries, it does dry clear. Now, if you have to go over any spots because it didn't build up enough, then you can just pour on top and you can layer it. And I thought this was just a nice, fun way to dress up the pineapple. And then we got to try this new product we found. And you can mix any color glitter that you want. So just share with us any ideas you would have with this Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. And look how pretty that looks. So then we found this board from Hobby Lobby. It was about $5 after the 40% off, and it has a galvanized back with the wood on top. And using some antique walnut gel stain from General Finishes and a Gen foam brush, I started to stain my board, and then I forgot to tape around my edges so I wouldn't get any of the stain on the galvanized metal. So I did that quickly, and then I finished applying the gel stain on top of my wood, and then using a paper towel, you just wipe off the excess, and then you can spread some of the stain onto the edges of the wood. A little goes a long way with the stain. And once everything was dry, I took some wood glue and I applied it to the back of my pineapple. And then using some hot glue just to hold it in place until the wood glue dries, I laid that on top of my board. And now we have this cute pineapple decor. Thank you so much for watching, and paint products can be found on chalkitupfancy.com. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to pass it along. Have a great day.